Welcome to my channel Mindset Mastery Hub, where I'll be telling you different tips, techniques, methods, and principles from different self help books. Watch this video till the end so that you can understand these tips and techniques in a better way. Today, I'm going to tell you about this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, which is written by Dr. Joseph Murphy. This book has got more than 4.6 star rating on Amazon and more than 73,000 people have read this book. So let's move ahead. About author. Dr. Joseph Murphy has written many books. Some of his books are How to Attract Money, The Techniques in Prayer Therapy, Magic of Faith, The Miracle of Your Mind, and The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. So in today's video, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, you will come to know the different tips and techniques, and also you will understand the working of the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. You will understand the magic power of your subconscious mind for the personal growth, and then the different tips and techniques mentioned in the book will help one to create destiny and help one's life. Do also see my part 1 where I have mentioned in detail the prayer therapy, the sleep therapy, and the mental movie therapy. To see my part 1 video, click on the iCard button to your right side on the top corner. Conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Author says, for our success, only 10% of your conscious mind or the visual mind is responsible. However, the 90% of our success comes from the subconscious mind or the sleeping mind. Let us see the different tips and techniques mentioned in this book. The prayer therapy, the mental movie or the sleep therapy, auto-suggestions, the affirmation techniques, creating positive thoughts techniques, and visualization technique. Dear viewers, I have already covered the technique number 1, 2 and 6 in my part 1 video. So in this today's video, we will be going through the technique of 3, 4 and 5. So let's move ahead and let us see the visualization technique. There is a famous Chinese quote which says, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So friends, in visualization technique, it is the easiest way to formulate an idea and visualize it in your mind's eye as if the event were alive. The idea and the thought are real and will one day appear in your objective world if you are faithful to your mental image. A mental picture held in the mind, backed by faith, will come to pass as a reality. Visualization techniques. Let us see the do's and don'ts. One should keep a smiling face during the visualization technique. Also keep your mind cool and calm. Bring the same mental image every day. After this exercise, be with yourself for at least 5 minutes so that your mental image gets synced to your subconscious mind. And let us see the don'ts that we need to do during these visualization techniques. Don't practice irregularly, because if you practice consistently, only then you will get the results. Don't do any other activity. Dear viewers, it is very much necessary that you focus only on the visualization technique and do not get disturbed by other activities or do not do any other activities. Don't be in a negative mood and don't visualize any negative image, because visualizing negative image will definitely bring the negativity in your life. The next technique is auto-suggestion. So what is auto-suggestion? Auto-suggestion is a means of releasing you from your negative verbal conditioning that might otherwise distort your life pattern. Also, auto-suggestion is the easiest way to get out of negativity and focus on your positive thoughts. Auto-suggestions banish fear and self-doubt. And also, auto-suggestion means that repeat your statement slowly and quietly several times a day so that they sink deep into your subconscious mind and the results will follow. Now let us see the do's and don'ts for the auto-suggestion. In the don'ts, don't say to yourself that I can't do this activity. Instead, say that I can do this activity. I am too old now. Instead, say age doesn't matter to me. It is impossible to do this task. Instead, say that it is possible to complete the task. I have never done this work earlier. Instead, you can say that this is a new learning to do this work. So friends, let us see The another important technique which we call it as a thank you technique. In this technique, repeat the word thank you over several times a day whenever you are interacting with your friends, colleagues, or whenever you are getting something good results. Your mind and heart will be lifted up to a point of acceptance. Also, this is a gratitude practice which will bring abundance in your life. Let us see another very important and powerful technique which we call it as affirmation technique. So the affirmation are the positive statements that help one to overcome negative thoughts. Repeat them and believes in them, one can start to make positive changes. Affirmation succeeds best when it is specific and it does not produce a mental conflict of argument. Every morning as you wake up, deposit the thoughts of prosperity, success, and peace. Dwell upon these concepts. Busy your mind with them as often as possible, which will help you to bring into reality abundance and prosperity. Some of the examples of the affirmations are: I always have whatever I need. I radiate positive energy around me. I am a channel for life's flow of abundance. It is my right to be rich, happy, and successful. Money flows to me easily, freely, and endlessly. I am worthful, blessed financially. It is wonderful. I have a loving relationship with all my family members. Universe is my best friend and helps me in all the situations. Why all techniques work? Dear viewers, it is necessary to know why all this technique works. Author says that subconscious mind is always working. It is active 24 hours and your subconscious mind is always expressing and manifesting according to your habitual conscious thinking. Remember that your subconscious mind does not differentiate between the true or false events, images, or words. It just follows and obeys the orders from your conscious mind. Positive thinking or positive talking or visualizing positive will make your life positive because subconscious mind manifests accordingly. It works according to the law of belief. Dear viewers, my favorite quote from this book is change your thoughts and change your destiny. Dear viewers, write in the comment box what you like the most and which technique you are going to implement to improve your life. We require your feedback. And for any questions or queries, write in the comment box. I am here to help you out. Dear viewers, subscribe to my channel Mindset Mastery Hub, where I'll be telling you different tips and techniques from the world self-help books and which will help you to grow and lead a successful lifestyle. Thank you and see you very soon with a new book next week.